Who's ready to go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins? They got a good bit of artwork and frames today. Trying not to pick up any big frames right now. What is this? But this is definitely the place I'm gonna go to when I need some. Ooh, look at this eagle cross stitch piece, and it is in excellent condition. It's big, but not too big to ship, so I think I'm gonna get it. I was here yesterday, and unfortunately this does look like the bins that were out yesterday. I remember all of these placemats, and they had lots of toys and lots of games, but I'm gonna still look because you never know. Like, look at this. That is cute. Definitely going in the cart. So if you wonder what I do with all this stuff, I probably do not say it enough, but I sell this all on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. These are little safari hats. I might have to text Ren's kindergarten teacher and see if she needs this for anything, because she loves themes and having the kids dress up, and I know she buys all that stuff herself. So whenever I can find stuff that I know she needs, I'll grab it for her. Yeah, so the first Wednesday of every month on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, in the Home Decor section, I post all of these items at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So mark your calendars. The next vintage drop is coming up soon, and all of this will be available. Yep, I dug through all this yesterday, but there is, I don't know, like some stuff is the same, and then I don't remember seeing that stuff yesterday. So I'm just gonna look through everything. OMG, look at these precious salt and pepper shakers. Hold on. I think they go like this. Is that not the cutest? Oh no, it has a chip right there. Maybe I could repaint this hat. I don't, these are, usually I would leave that, but these are just too cute. We're gonna add them to the cart. I don't know this brand, if it's a newer piece or an older piece, but it's silk and linen. It's a maxi skirt with a belted waist, and it is adorable. It's a size 6, so I'm pretty sure it'll fit me. I'm gonna bring it home and try it on. So I just dug on that side over here. Now I'm on this side, and this is definitely everything that was out when I came yesterday, and look how empty the bins are. So hopefully they change these out while I'm still here. I can hang around for a little while, but not all day. Yeah, all of this is just empty and picked over. Ooh, look what I see, a metal wall pocket. I haven't found one of these in forever, and I love the shape of this one. And the great thing is you could sit it up on a shelf, or you can hang it up on the wall. So this is gonna get a little makeover. This looks like a nice cereal container, but honestly at my house there's no need to remove stuff from the packages and then put it into cute clear containers, because it lasts like a day. The box of cereal lasts about a day at my house. They just brought out some new bins, and I scored 2 of these clear totes. This is the size that I use. Here's a wooden tote. I like the small size too. Definitely need this in my DIY stash, so we can do a cute little makeover on it. Well, I've been hanging around for a while, and they haven't changed this out, and most of the bins that they are bringing out, the new big blue bins, are clothing. So I think I'm gonna go. Ren's teacher did message me back, and she said she needs those, so I'm gonna send that to school with her. Oh, I also found this. It's like a really cool pencil pouch or brush pouch, and I thought Ryan might like that, or I might keep that for myself. I'm gonna put these back. My friend Lee is coming, and I feel like she's gonna want those, or maybe I'll send her a picture, see if she wants me to get them. She likes little jars like that to put stuff in. I got a few little things for Ren. Good realistic looking food is always fun in her little kitchen, and then I thought this was cute, and a little dog bed, and I found Lanky Box. She'll be super excited about that. We got the little snowmen. We're gonna rescue them. This basket. Oh, I also found this bird. I mean, you just can never go wrong with a bird. And some little stuff that we can DIY, and this beautiful art print right here, and totes. So I feel like I got a good bit of stuff for the short amount of time I was here. So I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.